So these guidelines or protocols are there to reinforce the extra hygiene measures that will be taken during this COVID-19 pandemic. And they basically talk about the same distance that have been told to maintain of 1.5 meters between one person and the other, the use of face masks, the need for continued screening, and the need to sanitize at all times. And all the prerequisites simply state that you'll be allowed to operate your restaurant between 5 a.m. and 4 p.m. Kenyan time until further notice. And this is upon reading and implementing the provisions of this protocol. As I said, these protocols will be accessible from the ministry website, www.health.go.ke. Eateries and restaurants then will be required to install hard wash facilities, complete with hot and running cold water, hygienically operated taps, detergent soap, sanitizer, and operate hard drying at the entry of their kitchens. Restaurants can reopen safely during the coronavirus pandemic by limiting diners to at least 4 people per every 10 square meters of space. As for food service, again, we are discouraging self-service, and customers shall have their meals served or delivered individually to the dining table by appointed restaurant stewards. There are other measures, of course, concerning the food handlers, the medical screening for the food handlers, and more importantly, is that for all those restaurants and eateries, they will be required to install a contact-free thermometer and ensure that every person entering the premises has his or her body temperature taken. Anybody coming the temperature of above 37.5 should not be allowed to enter those restaurants and eateries. And then all restaurants and eateries must provide a hand washing station with clean water and soap at the main entrance to the premises. And the effluent water from those eateries, some have been seen to be running off into the streets, are to be discouraged, and they must all drain into an existing sewerage system. And then all restaurants are required to provide 70% alcohol-based sanitizers at entrances and other areas where there are shared surfaces, such as dining tables and counters. For the hotel workers, any staff member, as I said earlier, or a reveller with a temperature above 37.5 degrees Celsius shall not be allowed entry into the premises, and the premises shall immediately notify the Ministry of Health through their toll-free number 719 for guidance. And most importantly, all food workers deployed to work in those restaurants must be tested and certified to be COVID-19 negative by a government-certified laboratory.